This week I just purchased this B44 BSA single cylinder 441 engine that was raced at Daytona in the Vintage Racing Series. It was apparently very fast. It has go fast engine parts installed. It's all wired up for racing, for track racing, as you can see, for safety. Has a total loss system, no battery, no alternator, and has a Norton factory racing tail, open pipe, and an Amel 930 carburetor, I believe. The pegs move back, and that was in the front end. I don't believe it was raced with, but that's what came with the purchase, and my plan is to turn it into some sort of a land speed racing bike that I can try and run down at Loring, Maine this coming year or the next year with some help with my friends. And this is day one.